Hello students, today I am sending you a video of use of Python in our computer system. How can we use Python and how can we print different types of statements in Python. So if you want to open Python software in your computer system, click on start button and choose Python software. And when you click on Python software, there are two modes of Python software. First is command line interface and second is idle mode. So first of all, we will discuss about command line interface. So click on this mode, and when you click on this mode, the computer screen will be appear like this. So here, if you want to display and print any statement in Python, you can use print function. So here I want to display a statement, hello, welcome in Python. Okay, and if you have done, press enter key, and when you press enter key, it will display a statement like hello, welcome in Python, this statement. So if you want to display and show the output on Python, you can use a print function. So if you want to close the command line interface, click on close button and again click on start button and open Python and open second mode, idle mode. So click on this mode, and when you click on this mode, Python windows will be appear like this. And here again, if you want to print any statement, again use print function and use here again hello, welcome in Python. And after that, press enter key. And when you press enter key, the output will be display in blue color like hello, welcome in Python. This is idle mode. And if you want to open script mode, click on file tab and choose new file option. And when you click on new file option, a next mode will be appear. This is script mode. So if you want to create different types of commands, and also if you want to create any program in Python, you can use script mode. So if you want to print any statement in script mode, again use print statement and here write any statement. I am learning programming language. And after that, press enter key and again write another statement. And here you can type multiple statements by using the print function. So write here again next statement, Python is a programming language. And if you want to print another statement, write again print function and again write here next statement, it is easy to learn Python. Is easy to learn Python. And if you have done, you can save your program with a name. And if you want to print these statements again write here statements. There are 6 statements and click on file tab and choose save option from the file tab and save your program. And here you can give your program name. मैंने यहाँ पे फर्स्ट नेम दे दिया है एंड आफ्टर दैट यू कैन क्लिक ऑन सेव बटन एंड व्हेन यू क्लिक ऑन सेव बटन अ रन मेन्यू विल बी अपेयर। देखो ये रन मेन्यू पहले नहीं आ रहा था, अब आ रहा है। एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू शो द आउटपुट ऑफ दिस प्रोग्राम, आउटपुट ये जो अभी आपने स्क्रिप्ट मोड में जो ये यहाँ पे डिफरेंट टाइप की स्टेटमेंट्स लिखी हैं, इनकी आउटपुट यहाँ पे अपेयर होगी आइडल मोड में। सो क्लिक ऑन रन ऑप्शन एंड रन मोड। यहाँ से आप F5 की भी प्रेस कर सकते हैं इफ़ यू वांट टू शो द आउटपुट ऑफ योर स्क्रिप्ट मोड एंड क्लिक हेयर एंड व्हेन यू क्लिक ऑन run option, it can be display all statements of your program like I am learning programming language, Python is a programming language, it is easy to learn Python। और हमने 2 टाइम लिखा था तो ये 2 टाइम अपेयर करेगा। नेक्स्ट इज हाउ कैन बी डिक्लेयर अ वेरिएबल इन पाइथन। So if you want to declare any variable in Python, so first of all, what is a variable? Variable is an identifier that can be stored some value into the memory of your computer system. So if we want to declare any variable in Python, simply write the variable name and assign the value. Similarly, write any variable name and assign the value. Like here 30. And if you want to show the sum of these numbers, these two numbers, again click on take another variable like C and show the sum of these two numbers, A plus B. And if you want to print the sum of these two numbers, write here print function. Print function means when we want to show the output of Python program, we can use print function. So write here statement, the sum of two numbers, the sum of two numbers is equals comma C. And after that, save your program. Click on File tab and save your program. This is your second program. And click on Save button. And click on Run mode and run your program. And when you run your program, the output will be the sum of two numbers is equals 50. And if you want to print the value of A and B variable, again open your program and your program name is second. This is your program and open your program and print the value of A and B again. So write here print and the value of A is equal, and if you want to print the value of A, click on this option and again click on write here print and the value of B is equals comma and print the value of B. And after that, if you have done, click on File tab and save your program. जितनी बार भी मॉडिफिकेशन करेंगे आपने उसको सेव करना है एंड रन योर प्रोग्राम अगेन बाय यूजिंग F5 कीबोर्ड शॉर्टकट and show the output. The value of A is equal 30, the value of B is equals 20, the sum of two numbers is equal 50. तो इस टाइप से हम सिंपल प्रोग्राम जो है स्क्रिप्ट मोड में इसमें पाइथन में यूज़ करते हैं।